matters coincided in the belief that objects were capable of worthiness and possible vocal commending. A
Ooh.
significant correlation with this was the belief that inherent qualities compose most objects in turn, warranting their claim. How is this
Wow.
distinct from receiving our approval? Blah blah blah. You ready
Wait,
for
what do
this?
you?
How is it distinct from receiving? Receiving our approval such disapproval blah, blah, is different than meriting in that meriting exists for the
Uh,
time a consistent assumption that objects can deserve praise in some way and that people can discern the quality in said objects with their emotional opinions, whether they are in accord or not with absolutes. With receiving, there's a constant assumption that nothing deserves praise until deemed worthy by the approver. If applied to everything, this denies absolutes in that they too must be deemed worthy or not of praise or recognition by the approver. To summarize, meriting involves a recognition of emotional opinion upon everything, regardless of accordance with absolutes. Receiving ultimately denies absolutes.
I
Crap,
haven't.
dude, it's so hard.
What are you doing?
We're reading The Abolition of Man.
The apple. Wow.
Lectures by C.S. Lewis.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow. Scheißen, ficken, scheißen, scheißen. Okay.
Guys, go.
What do you mean, go?
right
Look at
now,
now.
like,
No.
But, like, you
No,
don't.
you don't.
Dude, I gotta do push-ups, I gotta iron, I've gotta shower.
Shower, shit, and shave.
yeah.
Fuck a cock. I mean a donkey. You fuck a horse thrice, you get on its knees. You fuck a horse twice, you get on its bees.
Guys, I seriously have to go.
No, you don't. You're not
Yeah,
going.
Wow.
I agree with that.
No, I have to.
Not really.
But, like, you're not obligated. Sorry, you don't have, like, a legal...
Yeah,
Choice.
yeah. Whoa.
Like, you're not
Whoa.
you're not...
Because it's
You don't have a
Whoa.
contract. You don't have a legal
It's so
contract.
decided by me that
Like,
Fuck the
you
cocksucker.
could just be like, no. You know?
Harry Kane niggas.
That thing is a mon-
You watching this, Caleb?
okay guys, I'm gonna go now.
Caleb, you watching this shit? Fuck.
No, I'm playing.
Guys,
No,
Jackson,
I
you're
am
not
not.
fucking leaving. I want to talk to you about FDR.
guys. Dude, can I tell you something?
You
What?
can't. You can't.
It was
No.
just at 6,500.
Oh.
I wish I could
Hello?
understand what you just said.
Hello?
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 Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
My ping's on 500.
Sometimes.
Oh my. Wait, it's 6,000? His ping
It
is
was at
6,000.
6,500 for a second.
No, that's ridiculous.
Guys, I gotta go now.
Come on, Jackson. I have a Waffe 28 severely pack a punch and it looks like cheese moon. And it has fuck Fetty.
I know. Don't you think
Oh.
it
It's like
hurts?
cheese.
It,
You know
it,
what?
That's all I got.
well, now it's not cheese anymore. Well, now it's fucking fire.
Alright, guys, bye.
Like fire as in
Adieu, lads.
adieu, mein Kameraden.
Okay.
Jackson, no.
sorry, I took a...
No!
Yeah.
Stop.
You
Shut the fuck up.
thought I left
That's
because of the
it.
Stop.
sound, yeah?
Yeah, fuck off. No, don't fuck off, I mean. Fuck the fan.
Dude, I have to. I have to go now. I
Not
can't
really.
waste time.
A
Time
lot
is
of-
so precious right now. You have no idea.
I have a slight idea. 'Cause
Okay, I
you-
gotta
the
go.
way you
I
make it
gotta
seem, you know.
go. Bye.
Bye, but no bye.
Stop. God. Hate him.
Yeah, hate that, hate that. Hate it a lot, buddy. Hate it so much. Gotta see this, man. You gotta fucking see this. This is fucking hell on earth. Ooh, I got no more Porter X's. I need a fucking max pussy. Yo, you wanna play? Together? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Well, you trying to play House of Believing or not?
Yeah, but like your planes.
Shit! And then
like-
I have 175k. Oh! Oh! I'm so. Look, Caleb. Look, Caleb. Maschinengewehr 42. Meiser, Meiser. 1200. Meiser, Meiser.
Hurt. Dude, yo.
Jackson. $1,200. Sei es. Sehr gut.
Did you go down again?
Little bit. Little bit.
Did you message the Indonesian at all?
Oh no, I haven't. Do you want me to?
No. Doing it right now.
No. No. What did you say?
Nothing really, just normal stuff. I'll let you know if anything happens. I don't understand, like, where did you find yours?
What? Find what?
Your name, like your profile.
Her profile?
No, like, how did she find you?
I have no idea. Can you ask her that?
That's... Yeah, I guess I will.
Maschinengewehr. Oh, dude, I don't want to pack the Maschinengewehr. I don't want to do it. Can I tell you something? I don't want to do it. I'm gonna have to.
Why not?
Because it looks so fucking sexy in its classic skin. Like the Maschinengewehr
Okay, yeah, it's true,
42.
true.
Look how. Oh my god, it looks fucking epic. Like the word fucking and then epic combined. Like, think of the. Oh, I have to. I was coerced. A lot of bears, chairs. Oh, it's a fucking. Yeah, the skin. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They put a fucking sight on it. I really regret packing it.
Maschinengewehr.
Maschinengewehr 42. Fuck, reviving Otto von Hitler.
And I wish every clack punch. Love that.
Yeah. Cack.
Oh,
You watch it. Maschinengewehr ist Viola. Lila. Oh, I got fucking turned.
Gewehr.
Gewehr 42. You don't want to see my pointage, do you?
No. Well, I have 23,000 on the roof, and I'm around 14.
I have 200,000, 12,000, 212,000. 700.
One time I got to 1 million. Or no, it was shoot, I feel like it was almost 2 million on my 100 round run.
I just buy fucking guns and fucking pack them. I literally can't fucking lose, bro.
Bro, can't lose. Bro.
The fucking... You need a little revive. Na 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 na. Back of the car. I forgot I have fucking cymbal monkeys. 'Cause I'm a big fat con. Na 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 na. Sturmgewehr. Fuck. Ooh. Where the fuck are my cymbal monkeys? Where are my fucking cymbal monkeys? Fuck my cock. Fuck me in the cock, bro. Fuck me in the cock.
Ooh, how would...
No. Caleb. No, Caleb.
What,
I had a perfect
what,
max, which
what?
was very needed max ammo. Very needed. Gone. It's the end of my Maschinengewehr, is it? Don't tell me it's the end of my... Can you do me a favor? Do not tell me it's the end of my Maschinengewehr. It's the fucking end of my Maschinengewehr. How the fuck does a crawler, a cunt, Porter X2 ray gun. No. Fuck, Caleb. Big decision to be made.
Yeah, what's the decision?
My Luger has 78 bullets. My Maschinengewehr, double packed, turned, with the turn thing, 0 bullets. But I want to keep that thing. I must keep it.
Crap.
And I have a Porter X2 ray gun packed, which is like literally my lifesaver. It's so good. Right? I got a Sturm
Yeah.
in the box. I got a Sturmgewehr in the box. What do I do?
I don't know, man.
And I missed the max. Right
Okay,
now I'm touching my
I'm
balls.
asking right now. Asking how she found it.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Caleb, I think I might have to quit and play with you because I think I reached the epitome.
Probably have. Oh. Oh, I saw that.
Yeah. Did you follow aerodynamic memes?
I think so. Was that posted by him?
Okay. He literally went to hell. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Caleb, by the way, I'm recording. I've been recording. It's probably gotten to 110 gigabytes. You bet?
I'm scared this.
What? What? What did you send?
I'm sending it. Discord.
Okay, I'm gonna check in a second. Hold up. Ooh, that one, I think I went to this site. I ain't a lot of chat.
Who does that?
Oh my god. Wow. 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 That's fucking sad. That's fucking sad. Indonesia. Malay Thai. Bang on my cock.
Who does that? Who feels the need to do that? I don't understand.
Who's fucking enticed, bruv? Who's enticed to do that shit?
I don't know.
Are you enticed to do that shit? Because I don't think I am.
I don't think I am. Can't say that I am.
Me neither.
Can you say that you are?
No, I can't. Can't.
Okay.
Can't do it. Cannot do it. I wish I could. I mean, I don't know if I wish I could, but for the purposes of this conversation, I wish I could. Metaphorically and symbolically. Scheisse! Deadshot my queer man.
Deadshot.
Deadshot, I'm queer, bro.
Are you though?
Nah, bro, but For the purposes of this conversation, I am.
Interesting.
Okay, I'm completely depleted, Caleb. Almost. I have 200,
200,
Oh, crap! I keep getting... I keep getting free, Maschinengewehr 42 ammo. What does turn do, the turn guy do again?
huh?
You know that when you turn a player?
The what?
You know when you turn, like... When you have the turn thing, you get turned. Oh. Hold on. Let me...
What?
Max ammo, max ammo.
Please elaborate.
Give me 8 seconds.
Eight seconds.
Shit, bruv. Bruv. Dude, you know the turn jack shite? You know when you turn something? When you turn... Like, when... On Black Ops 3, you could get a pack-a-punch gun with turned on it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it gives me ammo. It gives me ammo. The turn shite, it gives ammo for me.
Short.
Sorry, croco shite, a lot of boy, Mike.
Lot of boy.
I'm a void Boyd. I've been popping Jews, I get hated so much.
Thanks for Jumbo.
You might cut. Caleb, I have 270,000.
It's a lot of money.
So I was thinking, why doesn't this motherfucker quit? Can you guess why he doesn't quit? It starts with Maschinengewehr 42 and it ends with 42.
That doesn't. Okay.
Max, bitches, max my fucking cunt. Order von Hitler's being revived. Hold on, bro. I just got a max. I'm good to gov. Yo, you heard the remastering MW2, supposedly? Caleb,
Yeah. What?
you heard the remastering MW2, supposedly?
I did not know that.
You think I'll be able to get off that game? If it does happen?
I don't know.
Would you be able to? Maybe. Are you playing Black Ops Cock?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if I were to quit right now, would you quit?
Yes.
Oh god, dude, I'm gonna be honest with you. I got 285,000 and I'm basically invincible.
I can quit right now. Let me rank up, actually. Let me rank up.
Let me get to level 60. No, I'm joking. I don't know what. Ooh.
Crap. Oh! Just got killed by a single zombie.
No, a
Single
Borg, a
zombie.
single Borg.
Yeah, a single Borg, man. A single Borg.
A single fucking Borg. I'm on round 40. Oh. Single fucking Borg. Maschinengewehr 42, ja, Meister, jawohl, jawohl, jawohl. Otto von Hitler, Meister. Scheiß, 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 scheiß drauf, scheiß drauf. Fieken, Fieken, Toten, Toten. Haus überleben. Scheiß! Scheiße. Fucking turn me on turn detachment. What the fuck is that? Like, what? Can I be honest with you? What the fuck? Caleb, the Zomborgs are invisible.
What?
Megan's Law. Caleb, can you guess how many points I have?
I'm ready. 300,000.
333,000.
Okay.
It's like 6
No.
hits to
Oh, yeah, that's not. You can't have that much.
max. Oof. Caleb, let's say a video is like 2,000 megabytes, right? Well, 2 gigabytes.
Okay. Yeah,
And
could have just said that.
let's say it
Yep.
was like super colorful, like a bunch of different color patterns, right? And
Hmm.
let's say you just have a video that's black screen, and they're all, both of them are 10 minutes. Would they each be the same size or different? The more the colors, the bigger the file.
I
Like more. No,
think I'm not 100%
you're cutting so fucking hard.
sure. It is like that. Like the more, yeah, the bigger it is. Like I can't shot about. Makes sense.
Yeah, it does, but yeah, I'm not sure. When I hit 350, I'm quitting, okay?
Okay. I heard that. Great. Great.
Excellent, excellent. Caleb, you know when
Yeah.
when I it said when I hit 350, I was at 330. I'm on
What are you
370
at now?
376.
346?
376. I'm quitting. Bye guys, it's been a nice stream, and by stream, no one has been fucking watching it, assholes. So,
It's been a nice
eat shit, fuckers. Bye.